Kendall, Florida, is a vibrant community known for its warm climate, beautiful neighborhoods, and diverse architectural styles. Homeowners in Kendall are always looking for ways to enhance their living spaces while maximizing natural light and functionality. One of the most versatile and elegant upgrades you can make is the installation of Bow Windows. These multi-panel windows offer a range of benefits that not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of your home but also add practicality and value. Here are the top benefits of installing Bow Windows in Kendall homes. Increased natural light. Kendall's sunny weather is one of its most attractive features, and Bow Windows are perfect for capitalizing on that. Their outward curving design consists of multiple connected window panels that allow sunlight to stream into your home from various angles. This creates a brighter, more inviting atmosphere in any room, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and making your home feel more spacious and welcoming. Panoramic outdoor views. Whether you're overlooking a manicured lawn, a lush backyard, or a serene street in Kendall, Bow Windows provide stunning, unobstructed views of the outdoors. Unlike traditional flat windows, Bow Windows curve outward, offering a panoramic perspective that connects you to your surroundings. This feature is especially appealing for Kendall homeowners who enjoy bringing the beauty of nature into their living spaces. Enhanced curb appeal. Bow windows are a design element that can dramatically enhance the exterior look of your home. Their graceful curve adds architectural interest and sophistication, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Whether your Kendall home has a modern or traditional design, Bow Windows complement various styles, boosting your home's curb appeal and leaving a lasting impression. Additional interior space. One of the unique features of Bow Windows is that they project outward, creating extra interior space. This additional area can be used as a cozy nook for seating, a display ledge for decorative items, or a sunny spot for indoor plants. This practical benefit allows you to make the most of your home's square footage, especially in rooms where space is at a premium. Improved ventilation. Bow windows typically consist of 4 or more panels, some of which can be operable. By opening select panels, you can create excellent cross-ventilation in your home. In Kendall's mild winters and breezy evenings, this feature allows you to enjoy fresh air and a cool breeze without relying heavily on air conditioning, making your home more energy efficient and comfortable. Energy efficiency. The modern Bow windows are designed with energy-saving features such as insulated glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and weather-tight seals. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler during Kendall's hot summers and warmer on cooler days. By reducing energy loss, Bow windows not only enhance your comfort but also lower your utility bills, making them a cost-effective investment. Increased property value. Installing Bow Windows is an upgrade that adds significant value to your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to properties with unique architectural features, and Bow Windows fit the bill. Their aesthetic appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency make them a selling point, giving your home a competitive edge in the Kendall real estate market. Versatile design options. Bow windows come in a variety of styles and materials, allowing you to customize them to suit your home's design and personal taste. From choosing durable, low-maintenance vinyl frames to elegant wood finishes, you can create a look that complements your Kendall home perfectly. You can also add custom window treatments to further personalize the appearance and functionality of your bow windows. Low maintenance. Modern bow windows are built to withstand the elements, requiring minimal upkeep. With high-quality materials and finishes, these windows resist fading, warping, and corrosion, even in Kendall's humid climate. A quick cleaning routine is all it takes to keep them looking pristine and functioning optimally for years to come. Create a focal point. Bow windows act as a natural focal point in any room, drawing attention and adding a sense of elegance. Whether placed in a living room, dining area, or bedroom, they transform the space into a stylish retreat. This versatility makes bow windows a favorite among Kendall homeowners who want to combine functionality with beauty. Final thoughts. Bow windows are an ideal addition to homes in Kendall, offering a combination of elegance, practicality, and value. From maximizing natural light and ventilation to enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency, these windows provide numerous benefits that cater to the needs of homeowners in the area. If you're considering a home improvement project, installing bow windows is a decision that will elevate both your home's appearance and functionality. Consult with a trusted local installer to explore your options and take the first step toward transforming your Kendall home with the timeless beauty of bow windows.